I guess with the thing up, it can only be but so high. Okay, well that's not gonna fucking work.
Okay. That's perfect.
That's it.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is why we can't do this. That was a very cute laugh. So, we went to TACOBELL. And got some food. Obviously.
We got cheesy roll-ups, chips and dip.
Chips. We got chips and dip.
It just cost an extra 99 cents.
You add that dick on for a few more dollars and you're good to go. You know what I mean? I feel like one of your things is in here.
Mine has purple on the wrapper. Yeah, only give me two.
I think this is the other one.
We got 2 meals. We didn't need to go back.
They only gave us one. Did you have the receipt?
Yeah.
Again. And we're back.
With our food. All of it. They're still in a perfect line.
I wonder what flavor Baja Blast is actually meant to be.
I feel like a crisp apple.
I don't feel that at all.
We should really give more tips with that.
That's
I've
why they're
only
only
eaten like
$1.
2. And they taste like cinnamon.
Definitely. They always do.
I don't like it.
I'm pretty sure they're like fried in the same thing as
And they sit right next to it.
yeah. You can see. We should have taken a photo first.
You can turn
So
the
here's
ball
all
so
the
it
food.
goes down.
It's not focusing on anything right now because it's not a face.
Say cheese.
So cheese.
That was a good one there.
Wait, say cheese again.
Cheese.
Okay. Let me eat my tacos first.
So we got rolled chicken tacos, chips and dip,
Regular chicken tacos.
and cheesy roll-ups with lettuce because I'm weird.
I only get chicken and cheese because I'm essentially a 2-year-old in a 19-year-old's body.
So what are we going to talk about? Talk about Jeffrey.
I was about to say, I feel like we need to address the situation. I can't afford to keep up with all of these lunches. Maybe he can't afford it.
He just needs to slow down so our bank accounts can recuperate from the loss that it's been taking.
Especially when he talks about launching a new product right after the year begins, and he just had his Black Friday sale. Like, of course I spent $400. I don't know what you want from me.
Still waiting on the mystery boxes, which we will be unboxing.
It will be a whole video. How many is there? 9 collectively.
And then we have our other box that we cannot open. And then I have another one.
So we're gonna have a lot of boxes. My mom ordered 2 mystery boxes. I ordered 3. And you ordered 4, right?
I got 2 deluxe, 2 premiums? Is that the biggest?
Deluxe? I think it's deluxe. I think premium's the middle one.
Maybe. I just hope there's a tracksuit in this one. Don't know why. That's just all I want.
I'm just really excited for the Peppermint Frost palette.
Oh my god. Nobody's even released it yet. They didn't even get it in PR. That's how limited it is. I just think that's crazy.
See, I'm gonna be one of those people who I like that they're mystery boxes, but I will definitely look at what's in them if people start getting theirs before me. Because they're mystery boxes. Some things will be the same, some things won't.
I really wonder what the lipsticks are for these ones. I hope they're not like just ho 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 and then the green one.
Yeah.
I'd be really upset.
I'm kind of hoping that he's going to do like what he did last time.
Make one?
But I know that that's not going to happen because the Peppermint Frost palette. So I feel like it might be 2 liquid lips.
That's you.
That's you.
I'm so popular by scams.
Scam Mikey, be calling.
I love the cheese sauce. I used to not like it until the chips and dip. What I do? We need a microphone now. Sorry, headphone users. See, that is perfect. I'm saving those for last because those taste good, cold and hot. I don't know what it is about it.
They're really good. I've never seen them before.
Yeah, they've came out like 3 times. I think Trisha made a video the first time they came out. And that was like 3 years ago.
I think it's probably because I only recently started eating Taco Bell. Again.
Hot lettuce with cheese is like my favorite.
That's so disgusting.
That's so good. And then Shane is probably going to launch his merch around New Year's again. I just can't afford it.
I really can't. They can't have their launches coincide with each other. It just... It doesn't work.
If I knew Jeffrey was going to launch the mystery boxes, I wouldn't have got a tattoo because I would have saved that money. Right? Right.
No, I probably still would have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't breathe. A little sinus in... What was I... I don't know the words I was gonna say. Your hands are so greasy.
My nose itches.
That's my personality. Personality the house. That's just the toys. They're so hot.
Uh-huh.
They should be for having to go back for him.
Uh-huh. Oh! Very hot.
Who else loves it when you get hot Taco Bell? Because usually it's cold. Holy crap.
Hot.
Like piping hot. What else to talk about? Also, Morgan.
Girl!
How are you going to look at a photo and not even mention it to anyone?
Like I said.
Like I'm on private.
We get. We didn't get the tattoo for attention, but like it'd be nice since we have the tattoo for someone to acknowledge that we got it. Like, Jeffrey, girl, I have your party like it's prom night shirt. I was there for that. Saw you on tour with Blood on the Dance Floor.
With your red hair, half the
It was
side
pink.
shade. Oh, it was pink?
Yeah. It was either the time that it was pink and yellow or pink and blue.
I just burned the shit out of my tongue. Maybe it's because the photo quality back then was just so poor that it looks red.
Oh no, my hair was red.
Oh, maybe that's why. Your hair's been so many colors. So is mine. But I love that we're just natural queens now.
Soup's natural.
My roots match my hair now.
You just dyed it.
Like 3 weeks ago.
Not 2.
It's making me hot. So I got the Jawbreaker palette.
Me too.
Oh my god, finish it. Do our outro. Quick before work. Mukbang.
Only 2 left.
I have 3.
I have 3.
But I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of you too.
That's the most I've eaten.
Yeah. So that was pretty boring, but
Hey. First time with our new camera.
let's hope that doesn't actually look like shit when we go.
And edit it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, my car is covered in dog hair. Anyway,
Okay. You ready?
like, comment, and subscribe.